With the increasing growth of IoT endpoints and the resultant increased frequency of security breaches, designers are looking for MCUs that can help reduce power consumption while adding robust security. The Microchip Technology SAM L10 and SAM L11 Xplained Pro Evaluation Kits, available from Mouser Electronics, are designed to evaluate the SAM L10 and SAM L11 ARM Cortex M23 MCUs. The evaluation kits come with either a SAM L10 or SAM L11 32 MHz ARM Cortex M23 processor in a 32-pin TQFP featuring 64 KB of flash memory and 16 KB SRAM, onboard debugger, and the ECC508A crypto authentication device. The SAM L10 is the industry's lowest power MCU in its class and allows users to develop secured applications without the battery constraints of less power efficient MCUs. Its ultra-low power consumption makes it suitable for a range of IoT applications in areas such as wearable devices, gaming controls, energy harvesting, smart pens, and low-power industrial sensor nodes. The SAM L11 additionally features chip-level security based on ARM TRUSTZONE technology to help protect against both physical and remote attacks, plus a comprehensive security solution framework to simplify the implementation of security. IoT nodes driven by a SAM L11 provide strong resistance to remote software attacks, thereby increasing the reliability and avoiding any downtime of the critical functions of the nodes. The chip-level tamper resistance will help protect from cloning and intellectual property theft. For more information on the Microchip Technology SAM L10 and SAM L11 Xplained Pro Evaluation Kits, visit mouser.com.